friends, welcome back. We checked the weather and it says it might snow a little, but nothing crazy, so we decided to take the kids out for a short winter backpacking trip. With lots of prep to keep everyone warm, we even packed a little sled. As we drove into the canyon, the snow started coming down and the kids was already so excited. They've seen snow so many times, but somehow it never gets old for them. We started hiking in and everything was quiet except the sound of the snow hitting the trees. The kids kept pointing at every little thing, animal tracks, the way the snow fell on the branches. When we reached our spot, the kids immediately grabbed the sled and started playing while we set up the tent. The stove tent definitely takes longer to set up compared to our regular backpacking tent, but we were glad we left early and brought a ton of snacks. Once everything was ready, Ryan took the kids sledding again, and they really did that for hours. They kept saying it was the best trip ever. While they played, I wanted to take a little tour inside the hot tent. It's such a cozy setup. The stove, the warm air, the snow falling outside. I feel like the tiny winter cabin we're carrying on our back. As the days got darker, we started the fire pit and cooked dinner.
This looks so good.
The smell of the food mixed with the cold air was amazing. kids were still playing nearby while we cooked. Their cheeks was all pink from the cold. came out, bright, huge, and glowing through the snowy trees. We sat around the fire for a while, just soaking up in that moment, before the kids finally went inside to the tent to warm up.
Surprise!
Second, I want the brown one. I want the brown. Thank you. Thank
In the morning, we make breakfast inside the tent, Japanese sausages and eggs. Nothing fancy, but somehow it tastes so good out here. After that, we pack everything up, make sure we left no trace, and headed home. It was just a simple trip, but honestly, it felt magical. One of those days you know the kids will remember.